Hey, this is Multi-Line Chocolate Fan today. Made another Lego sewing machine. Doesn't take money though, but it's pretty cool. So, take this button, you push this in, and then it comes out. And then to reload it, you push the button out. You see this thing right here? Slide that back in, and then turn it around, and then take that and push it in here, and turn it around. And you can do it again. Oops. There we go. Push that back in, turn it around, push it in there. Yep. That's it. Bye. Bye.